Good morning, friends. We have returned to the ranch in Sonoyta from our couple of weeks in Quartzsite and another 10 days in Yuma visiting friends. Please enjoy my stories or whatever else might be on my mind today. And I went to the mailbox yesterday and found that my flashlight company, Wurkkos, sent me their newest model. Let's see what we got. Wurkkos Tactical Flashlight, the TD11, 3,000 lumens. In preparation for talking about this, I looked up on AI what is the difference between a tactical flashlight and a normal flashlight. One of the things it said was they are bright enough to temporarily blind or disorient an attacker, typically 500 plus lumens. 3,000 lumens. 320 meter beam. 63 hours of runtime. Lightweight. Wow. Let's see what we got. User manual. USB-C to USB-C. I suppose that's the charging cable. A lanyard for putting around your wrist. And the TD11 Tactical Flashlight. One of the things that I think of when I think of tactical is that it's made for police or military, and instead of holding a flashlight like this, it's held like this. Whoa. I pushed the button and it worked. Got a clip for clipping on your belt. Solid feel. Aluminum. Oh, I read in here also, it's extremely durable, made of aircraft-grade aluminum. Yep. Shock resistant. Strike bezel. The metal ring around the lens is often serrated or crenellated. In a pinch, it's designed to be used as an impact tool for self-defense or breaking glass. I don't know if you can see that. It is, in fact, notched, crenellated, serrated. Yeah. I'm going to read the directions and figure out how to run this button here with 3 different settings. It's got 2 buttons up on the top. Let me study it a little bit and we'll take it out in the dark so that I could show you the display in the dark. You can see what mode you're in. Lots of different information about different things. Okay, it's dark. We do have some yard lights on over here, but I'm outside the RV. And it's pretty dark up the street. I'm going to put the tactical flashlight in tactical mode. That's way over there. And flashlight. Yeah, that's pretty bright. Shines way down the lane there. This is the tactical mode. And this is the disorienting strobe mode. Let's change it to echo mode. Econo mode, I assume that stands for. It's not as bright. It's just conserving battery. Still a decent flashlight, but it's not a tactical flashlight. Now let's put it in lighting mode. In lighting mode, hold the button, it changes the brightness. It gets to the top, it goes down. When it gets to the bottom, let the button go. Turn it back on, and it should get brighter again. Yeah, there we go. Then, for the bottom touch button, if I touch that, it turns on a floodlight. Floodlight. And if I touch it again, it makes the floodlight a lot brighter. So now we're looking at floodlight. And if I touch it again, I think a double touch, we're going to get some blue lights there. And there's 9 different modes. I'll just shine it on the ground here. And another double tap. We get a flashing blue light. There's 9 of these modes. Another double tap. We get a red flashing light. Oh no, it's red, blue like the police. Another double tap. And it's changing colors. Cycling through all the different colors. Another double tap. And it's cycling through more colors. And another double tap. It's doing something different. Another double tap. Green. Another double tap. Cycling green. Double cycling red. Flashing, streaming red. Anyway, it does all these different colors and different patterns of color. And I guess some of them are for warning, some of them are for just playing maybe, but it's an interesting thing. Switch it back to tactical mode. Light up the night. I also noticed, as I've been using it here, that it's gotten warm. Be a hand warmer. That kind of feels good out here in this cold evening. Yeah. Wurkkos Tactical Flashlight TD11. Links below. Check it out if you need a tactical flashlight that will light up the night. Hey, if you like me, give me one of those thumbs up. And please subscribe and hit that little bell so you know when I post next. Please share me with your friends on social media. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed what was on my mind today.